Hello everyone, welcome back to Together with Ben Core Java Learning Series 1, and today we are just going to look at some naming conventions in Java, and we are not going to do a lot of stuff. It looks like there's a lot of stuff going on here, but just pay attention to only the things I will highlight and go over really fast. This is also the foundation of our next video. We are just going to look at primitive values altogether, as you note, and this is where I will also highly recommend always read the documentation directly from its source. Go to oracle.com and then find or search by those kind of stuff, and I will be adding these links in the description part. So let's get started, if you will. So let's start with package names, and package names always lowercase, so let's keep in mind package names always lowercase. And then these are our primitive data types. They are just declared, but I did not assign them any value, so don't pay attention to the complexity, just pay attention to the way it was written, lowercase and then uppercase. So this is Camel case, so number 2 right here on the right hand side, Camel case typing, words together, no spaces. So we are going to implement this as we go, and then if you notice, if you're using IntelliJ, it will help you correct if sometimes you forget how it is. That's alright. So for example, if I type another integer, so if you notice, get an int, so it's providing me a lowercase and uppercase next, and then uppercase next again in the next word, and no space. So that being said, let me delete this one. Let's continue. We haven't gone over the methods. This is a getter, and then we are gonna use setters and getters a lot when we learn about Pojo, plain old Java, but that's soon going to come. So but it doesn't hurt to know that we are going to start naming our methods with a lowercase and then followed by an uppercase. It's just like our variables, starting with lowercase and then going with an uppercase. The same goes for our setters, setAge. This will start with lowercase and then continue with an uppercase. So this is also helping us with the readability, and again, don't pay attention to the way this code was written. I just wrote it so I can clarify how we are going to follow the naming convention. So and if you look at the class, you can see it over here at the top, class names and camel case, and then there are capital for each word, and they have no space, just like the one that we have over here, DivisionTest. Same over here, DivisionTest. So what starts with lowercase, they are variables and methods, and we just looked variables and then methods. Another method right here. So this is the method body, so you will learn about this later on. And I guess this sums up what I wanted to show you. So package names, lastly, class names, and then our variable names, and then method names, And there are some other naming conventions, but it's just we are going to be using primitive types. So this is good enough for right now, and I hope this is helpful for everyone. So I will be adding these two parts in the description like I mentioned. And thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful for you.